guys to my channel, it's Sidhu here. Today I'm going to react to Blue Lock Season 2 episode number 10. I know I am late to it. I'm sorry I had to go on a vacation and I could not cover the reactions. But I'm here now and there won't be any more delays. So yeah, without wasting much time before going to the reaction, I would like to recap what happened in the previous episode, which I just reacted day before yesterday. So if you have not watched it, please check it out. But yeah, in that episode basically covered the halftime break between the first half and the second half of the match between Blue Lock and U20 team. And yeah, so we covered the events that happened in the break, and along with that we got the exclusive backstory of Rin and Itoshise, and basically why they have a beef when they were so close. When they were kids, they were very close with each other. They had a healthy brotherly love, but basically Itoshise went around the world and saw the reality of the competition that he has, and he realized that it's not going to be that easy to become the best striker in the world. There are many other talented people too. So he basically gives up on his dream in a way and pivots to becoming the best midfielder in the world, which Rin doesn't like, because Rin actually wants his brother to be the best striker and he, in a surprising way, wants to be the second best striker. But as his big brother has given up, and Itoshise, I think so, in a brotherly way, tries to motivate Rin to become the best striker instead of trying to become the second best striker and get distant from him, or for him not to depend too much on him. Basically what I want to say is Itoshise wanted Rin to be independent and not to be too attached to Itoshise, so he says some harsh words, and Rin basically does get motivated to play football and become the best, but not to become the best striker, but to crush Itoshise. So yeah, it backfired on Itoshise in a little bit or in some way. Hopefully Rin realizes what Itoshise actually wants to do, because in my opinion Itoshi, or I should call him Sei, is not some rude or brooding kind of guy. He actually likes football. He actually likes people when they try to excel in football. So he admires Blue Lock team in a way, I think so. That's what I got it from the previous episode. The way he said Blue Lock is screwed, the team is screwed, but something special is happening there. So yeah, that was happening, and at the same time U20 team realized that they are going downhill and they have to pick up some way, and that's when they are going to bring in Pseudo. And actually Itoshise was about to walk off, but they lured him in with the prospect of him playing with Pseudo. So yeah, we are going to have Pseudo in this second half, and that's going to change the whole dynamic a lot. Of course, he's like a spectacular bomb, a colorful bomb, a pink bomb. So yeah, all of these things are making me way excited for what's going to happen in this episode. I don't know, I have not watched even a glimpses of this episode, so I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm here for it. I know it's going to rock. So without wasting much time, let's get to the episode. Yeah, the second half begins, or is about to begin. But yeah, Rin as a competitor now, a strong competitor, that too. Egoist, the ultimate egoist. Yeah, man, he is my favorite character. Rin-chan. He's already getting on his nerve. Wow. Blonde pest. Big Brother's boy. Wow. They're getting to it. Who is he replacing? Yeah. Not only change, it's going to be a completely different match. Exactly. Yeah, and we hopefully will see a goal from Isagi too. It's going to be, definitely. I think so, that is written. Yeah. Hopefully it is going to be epic. The subs take to the stage. Wow. So are we going to have more than one substitutions? Who will be coming in? Man, this is exciting. Yeah. If he gets near, he is going to definitely score. Nothing is going to stop him. Nice. Everyone is thinking. Yeah. Biology. He's biology, man. The only one who is going to keep up with him is Hitoshise. It's 1 on 21. Wow. Let's see. Blue Lock versus X Blue Lock. Wow. Yeah, the parallels. Did Hitoshise get it? Ah, thought so. But can our goalkeeper stop it this time? I don't think so. Wow. I think so he's passing, not a shot, exactly. And this time the teammate is not going to disappoint, definitely. Can they stop him? I don't think so. Wow, is it? Nice! Nice, man! Nice! Oh no! Did they get injured? Oh, that's where... Huh. Oh no! Did Shido get hurt? What? What happened? So this is when the stuff comes in? Oh, Mr. Pest. Wow. Wow. I didn't think so he would disappoint, man. But he did. Nice, Nico. Good job. That is true too. Wow. Wow, that's nice. He was a little bit clowny before this. Oh no, he got hurt. This is bad. Yeah, he's going to get subbed off. Wow, he's willing to play still. Yeah, they need him on the ground right now. Nice, this is cool. He's getting the taste of the defense too. That's the spirit. And he saw through everything there. That's cool. That was unexpected. I thought Shido's goal was going to go in. Who is this? Is that Rin's mother? What? Why is he supporting Blue Lock? Who is he? Wow, Shido is taking them. Nice. Man, I think so this is going to go in. Shido can't be stopped, man. Wow, does say see something more? Or something better? That's wisdom. This is such a good mentor-pupil relationship they are having here. Man, these two are monsters. That's nice. Itoshi finally got someone that can keep up with him. Man, they are going to score. It was just a momentary stop. No, he's going to pass it. He's not going to hit it. No. That is a fake too, I think so. No. You have not seen it. No. It will, yeah. Yeah, it revolved. Wow, this is cool. All the cells in my body. And that's the best shot. Exactly. The perfect combo. Nice. That was cool. Yeah. Then why is he getting frustrated? Is he Blue Lock's manager or something? Wow. Rio is looking. Maybe we'll get subbed in the future. Nice. Good entry of Shido. He's high. He has an orgasm with that goal. Yeah, they are made for each other. Yeah, they are not even in the lead. Too complicated, man. Too complicated. Yeah. Yeah. They are in the zone. Hmm. Because they were thinking they should move on their reflex. Hmm. Yeah, just a beginning. Mr. Wow, that's a big nickname. Hmm. It seems like Itachi said took a liking of Shido, huh? Man, Rin is. Oh, is Shigiri getting a cramp there? Man, how many people are getting injured here? Yeah, he ran too fast there. And him too. Oh no. Too many people are getting out. Hmm. And it did not even matter. They are still good. They still scored. Yeah. The table is turning. Nice. Someone else will be getting chance now. Who is this going to be? Hmm? Yeah, he's already getting out. Hmm. Wow. Hmm. Yeah, he's getting subbed out. Who is 14? Wow, these two, yeah. I like that he's still here, the light blue haired guy. He helped Isagi a bunch in the selections. But I like it's going to be interesting how they're going to change the game now. How they're going to affect this. They're definitely going to help Isagi a lot. Man, it's so sad saying Chigiri like that. Yeah, he is going out at a crucial moment. And the game is just starting, as Ego said. Wow. Will he motivate him? Oh, don't put that face like that. Maybe he'll come back after getting the rest. Wow, harsh words. Yeah. They even lost their strategist and a speed runner now. Can they maintain their balance? 10 minutes already into the second half. Wow. Strategy is changing. He's still looking at him, not the enemy team. What did he say? Nice. It's been so long they've played together, huh? Yeah, his trick is he can copy things, right? Pretty fast, pretty quickly. Chameleon, yeah. It's going to be interesting how that is going to affect this. Okay. I want to see Rin's reaction about the bromance between Itoshise and Shido. Yeah. But what now? Wow. I didn't know that or I didn't realize it. Nice. He knows his strength. That's cool. Mr. Frozen. Nice. He's a good passer then. Nice. Man, they are giving a lot. They are giving him a lot of screen time, huh? Nice. Be in the correct position so that he can pass you. Man, even here he is looking cool. No, Nagi. Oh man, Rin is frustrated. What? Is he praising him or insulting him? No, Isagi is going to take it, right? Yeah. Isagi. Yeah. See it, yeah. Come on, score it, man. Oh no, I forgot about Mr. Policeman. Wow. Yeah. I completely forgot about him. Oh no, Isagi missed it again. Missed the chance. Man. Yeah. Oh no, man. This is the third time Isagi missed it. Missed the chance, I mean. And now they have the ball. Oh no. Again their partnership coming. Yeah. Shit. Hmm. Can Rio stop him? Stop the brilliant duo? Wow, yeah, because he's a good copier or adapter. Yeah, maybe he can employ the skills. Hmm. Man, I didn't even think about it. He can copy the styles of defenders too, not only the strikers. Wild, even Mr. Policeman. Nice, nice depiction. Cool. Yeah. Only 99%. Where did the 1% go then? Brilliant, brilliant author. I didn't even think about, yeah, chameleon, not the snake. Wow. I didn't even think about this angle that they can go to. Ah man, come on, don't end it here. Well, guys, the episode ended there. It was a great episode. Pure brilliance. That's what I'm talking about. And let's go from the back of the episode to the beginning, or from the end of the episode to the beginning. Man, I knew, of course, I understood very quickly that he's going to copy the defender style and he's going to use that style to stop this duo of Shido and Itachi say. But I don't know why I did not expect him to copy the Mr. Policeman style. And the way they depicted by showing us the same way Mr. Policeman stopped Isagi in the first half, that was cool. That they made the point that they wanted to make in such a great way. I don't know. Of course, it would be the same way the mangaka did in the manga. But yeah, it was such a cool way to show it. As you can see, I'm thoroughly impressed by it. I don't know why I'm so impressed, but I am. And as Nikanaki said, it was very cool. And so yeah, Rio is here to stay, and it's nice seeing how he's going to affect the match and affect the defending capabilities of Blue Lock, because they are lacking in that department. They are a team of soft strikers, so they are good at already attacking, but yeah, they are weak in the defending department. So if the other team gets the ball, they are already in a disadvantage. But since Rio has been watching the whole first half and has been learning the defending techniques from the defending champions or the defend pro defense team, we have a proper chance now. So it was great to see, and it was great to see Hiyori play and Hiyori get get some screen time to show off his skills and be a badass too. So that was cool to see how he is affecting the team, not only as a side character but as a little bit of main characterism too. So that was cool. And before that, we saw a beautiful team up between Shido and Itoshi Sei, basically a mentor-pupil relationship type of way, or some big brother, small brother relationship. And yeah, also as I said, I wanted Rin's reaction to their relationship, or basically how they are reacting, or how they are interacting with each other. And I think so. Itoshi Sei wanted the same kind of relationship with his little brother too, Ren, but he had to push him away so that he can grow on his own. Whereas Shido is already very independent type of guy. He has his own brilliant or very unique personality built around him. But when it comes to Ren, his whole personality revolves around his big brother, which Itoshi Sei doesn't want to happen. So yeah, I like these parallels that the author is trying to draw. And yeah, man, Shido Dil Ka Dhadkan is always going to be my favorite since that match, since the practice matches. His personality, man, I thought he's going to be some mean kid, or some mean kid who no one likes, a bully type of guy. But no, he will appreciate you, and he is going to get excited when you pull off some crazy move. He has, as we have seen, him getting excited or him praising Isagi when Isagi got into that zone and scored the goal in the practice match. So yeah, he is my favorite character through and through. So yeah, it's nice to see him play, and it's going to be nice to see him tackle Rio now, since Rio is able to defend the ball, or has taken the ball from him at the last moment in this episode. So yeah, that was great. And yeah, I think so. That's I covered all the things that happened in this episode, and it was great, man. I enjoyed it. As you can see, I see it in my reaction, I see it on my face. I enjoyed this episode a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to this episode, and if you did, please guys, please like, share, subscribe, and push the notification bell so that you'll get notified when my other reaction videos drop. And also do comment below in the comment section your thoughts on this episode and thoughts on my reaction. And if you have any tips or suggestions for me, as I'm new to this reaction thing, I do need any kind of feedback, suggestion, input that I can get from you guys. So please guys, please comment down below. I read all the comments, I reply to each and one of them. So please guys, please interact with this video, help me out. It's free to do, so I hope you guys do it. And with that being said, I would finally like to thank those who have always been doing that, who have always been liking, sharing, subscribing, and pushing the notification bell, and most importantly, coming back to the videos, reactions each and every week. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next episode's reaction.